Hello all, I'm just going to show you real quick how to import the EAC library course in from Creative Commons. So we're here in Canvas, we're on our dashboard. The quickest way is we just go over here to Commons. And we can just search EAC library. And here it is, EAC Alumni Library Overview, undergraduate to graduate, Kristen Becker. We go over here, we double check that it is one module, 11 pages, and 3 files that are all images. Import, and you can import this all at once to, let's say if you're going to put in all of your classes, you can just go through and you can click all of them and say, hey, I want to put it in all of them. These ones, obviously I don't have them listed for which semester, so I'm not going to go put it in, I'm just going to put it in this one. And then import, and boom, we are done.